Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with safety and positioning. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Locate the hood release lever under the left kick panel near the driver's footwell. This is a small black handle. Find it by feeling along the lower dash edge. Find the hood release lever under the left kick panel. Pull the lever about 3 inches until you hear a pop. Turn off the engine and set the parking brake. Walk to the front of the Mini after you hear the interior pop. Do not pull up yet, or the hood will stay latched. Reach under the center front edge to find the safety catch. It sits behind the grille. Locate the safety catch under the front center of the hood. Push the safety catch to the left while lifting the hood. Lift the hood fully and secure with the prop rod or hood strut if equipped to avoid accidental closure while working. If the hood will not release, inspect the release cable and latch for rust or blockage. If the cable is stuck, reach from the grille to pull the latch release or access the latch through the front bumper opening with a long screwdriver. Spray 3 to 5 seconds of lubricant into the latch mechanism to free corrosion and work the cable a few times. Close the hood until it clicks and press firmly to seat it. Verify alignment and that the safety catch engages on both sides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.